You are Mr. A. Das Gupta.
Yes, Lord.
Heard. Mr. A. Das Gupta, learned counsel for.
How did my candidate fixed?
We'll not fix a date. We'll leave it for registering next week or after 2 weeks. We will not be fixing it because I'm sitting in division bench.
Oh, then there is an interim order, my lord, that you've got to be
So
candidate.
next week we will fix.
Hmm.
On request of learned counsel for the petitioner, let this matter be listed. You have informed the other side.
No, the other side is not here. The ONGC is the other side, my lord.
Okay. Let this matter be listed after a week.
Mr. Saiwala appears for ONGC.
You are
Yes, sir.
representing? Oh, yes, I have.
Mr. J.N. Saiwala, for respondent 224.
Learned counsel for the respondent number 224 does not have any objection to the prayer for adjournment. After a week,
The interim order may kindly be candidate.
the interim order shall continue till next day.
May please, your lordship. With the consent of other, my lord, I declaration item number 2, my lord, today's list, my lord. My lord, the proceeding is, my lord, arising out of, my lord, NIR proceeding, my lord. My lord, the problem is that the petitioner is, my lord, has been suffering from cancer, my lord. Some instruction is because earlier, my lord, the petitioner has paid 5 lakhs and deposited before the registry of this honorable court, my lord. So, my lord, can it be, my lord, taken up some other day so that I can take updated instruction, my lord?
My lord, I have no objection, but it is preferable that my lord is fixed a date, maybe belatedly.
No, I'm not fixing. This was not a fixed item today.
We are not fixed.
So no fix.
After, my lord,
Mr.
If it is required, then we
We
might
did.
mention.
R. Sharma, my lord.
Heard Mr. R. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
Be that.
B. Dekar, learned counsel for the respondent, learned counsel for the petitioner. Praise for an adjournment. On what ground you are seeking
My
an
lord, some instruction is required, my lord.
for taking some instructions from the petitioner in connection with this case? Considering the grounds mentioned, the prayer is allowed. Let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Can it 3 weeks, my lord?
No, 1 or 2 weeks is sufficient.
2 weeks.
If it listed, then we will see. my
Yes.
lord, if my line senior is having any problem.
Hello.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4, your lordship. In this case, the engaged counsel, Mr. S.P. Roy, is not keeping well, your lordship.
Heard
Any-
Mr. Learned, heard
J. Das.
Mr. Jyotish J. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner.
Lordship, we are for the informant, lordship.
You have it. You have, what's your name?
Emma Chaudhary for the informant.
Also heard Mr. A. Bushra, learned additional public prosecutor, as well as Mr. M.R. Chaudhary, learned counsel for respondent number 2. Learned counsel for the petitioner has prayed for an adjournment on the ground that the conducting counsel of for the petitioner, Mr. S.P. Rai, is indisposed. Considering the ground, the prayer is allowed. Let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
So 1 week. lord.
2 weeks.
Obliged, lordship.
May I please, my lord, this is an appeal. In this particular appeal, my lord, I am challenging a judgment and order passed by the judicial magistrate first class. By this judgment, the learned trial court below has acquitted the accused person. Against that acquittal, I have preferred an appeal, so I am before your lordship. And now, my lord, other side has not appeared.
That is required.
And this matter has come after a long time, my lord. So, just an
No,
hour.
whether notices were served.
My lord, we will take steps, no problem.
Have you taken steps?
My lord, in this case, we have taken steps. At the time of granting the leave, the learned counsel for the accused person has appeared before his honorable. Only after hearing him, the court has admitted the appeal.
But no name has been shown.
Yes, my lord, no name has
Who
been
is
given.
who has appeared?
If I remember correctly, Mr. S. Samal Kumar Goswami.
Whether he had filed Wakalatnama or
Probably, my lord, he has filed his Wakalatnama because I remember very vaguely that he has appeared.
then his name has to be shown in the Wakalatnama, in the cause list. Heard Mr. B. Deka, learned counsel for the appellant. None also heard Mr. K. Bushaw, learned additional public prosecutor. It appears that this is an appeal against acquittal and on perusal of the order sheets, order sheets of this case is it appears that on 19/2/2014, on 2014 law, the council has appeared.
Yes, madam. For a long time, this matter has not come up before this honorable court.
2014 learned counsel for the no, it is not mentioned that it is only mentioned that both parties, whether 19/2/2014, there is a mention in the order sheet that both parties are learned counsel for both parties are present. However, it is not specifically
Who has appeared?
mentioned therein as to whether learned counsel for respondent number 1 has appeared or not.
Then,
There-
my lord, I may be allowed to take fresh.
Therefore, the appellant is directed to take fresh steps on respondent number 1 by registered post with ID within 3 days from the date of this order. Returnable on, right? Let us give it is a 2012 method. After 4 weeks, a date.
Not in February, my lord.
Returnable on 4th March 2000
Fourth March is fine.
5th March.
Past March, no? Yes, sir.
You have to take steps.
I will take steps, my lord.